If you're looking for a great pizza recipe, then you should try one of these flavors. My secret for this homemade pizza is to spray the dough with water just before baking, a simple trick that helps you get a crispy crust and beautiful golden brown color. In a large mixing bowl, knead a dough from the flour, yeast, salt, sugar, olive oil, and lukewarm water. Start mixing the dough mixture with the help of a fork. Mix for about 5 minutes until very soft dough is developed. Let the dough rise in room temperature for about 1 hour. On a floured working surface, transfer the dough and divide it into 4 to 5 equal slices, depending on the size of your pizzas. On a working surface, dust some flour or sprinkle with some semolina and stretch each piece of dough with the help of your hands. Do not use rolling pin. To make the mortadella pizza, on the stretched dough, spread some of the tomato sauce, sprinkle some grated cheese, some crumbled blue cheese, and place the prepared pizza on a baking tray. My secret for always great pizza dough is to spray the pizza just right before baking with a little bit of water. This way the steam will make the perfect risen edges of your pizza dough. Let the pizza bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. Bake in an already heated oven at 450 Fahrenheit degrees. When the baking time will end, top the pizza with slices of mozzarella cheese, slices of mortadella, sprinkle some chopped pistachios, and decorate with fresh basil leaves. To make the Cuatro formaggi pizza, stretch a piece of pizza dough on a working surface sprinkled with flour or semolina. Sprinkle some grated cheese, crumbled blue cheese, slices of mozzarella cheese, and finish with grated Parmesan cheese. Spray the edges of your pizza with a little bit of water. and bake your pizza in an already heated oven at 450 Fahrenheit degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. For the pepperoni pizza, stretch the dough on a working surface sprinkled with a little bit of flour or semolina. Apply some of the tomato sauce. Sprinkle the sliced mushrooms. Grated cheese and top with pepperoni slices. Sprinkle with dried oregano and don't forget to spray your pizza dough with water just right before baking. Bake in an already heated oven at 450 Fahrenheit degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. For pizza margarita, stretch your dough with the help of your hands on a working surface, sprinkled with a little bit of flour or semolina, and top with tomato sauce and freshly chopped mozzarella cheese. Spray the edges of your dough with a little bit of water and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes in an already preheated oven at 450 Fahrenheit degrees. Finally, garnish with fresh basil leaves and enjoy. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking, until the next time.